Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra TAM, Samsung's latest flagship that's creating massive waves in the smartphone market. Before you make a choice on your next premium phone upgrade, you absolutely need to watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research for you. We'll break down everything you need to know, and I've included a link to the best price we could find in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn if the Galaxy S25 Ultra is worth your investment. We're evaluating this phone based on price, real-world performance, AI capabilities, and everyday usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra absolutely redefines what a smartphone can do with its revolutionary AI assistant that handles multiple tasks with just one command. Imagine asking your phone to find a pet-friendly vegan restaurant, check the reviews, make a reservation, and text the details to your friend Mist all in one seamless request. This isn't just voice control, it's having a personal assistant that actually understands context and executes complex workflows. The device comes packed with cutting-edge specifications, including a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 3120x1440 resolution, the latest Snapdragon processor, up to 16 GB of RAM, and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Photography enthusiasts and content creators will particularly appreciate the advanced quad camera system featuring a 200MP main sensor, complemented by ultra-wide telephoto and periscope zoom lenses. What truly sets this phone apart is the Now Brief feature, an AI-powered system that anticipates your needs before you even realize them. It learns your daily patterns and proactively provides relevant information like traffic updates before your commute, weather alerts for outdoor plans, or reminders based on your calendar and habits. This predictive intelligence makes the S25 Ultra feel less like a device and more like a thoughtful companion. The camera system introduces groundbreaking AI capabilities, particularly the audio eraser feature that's nothing short of magical. When recording videos in noisy environments, think concerts, busy streets, or windy beaches, the AI intelligently identifies and minimizes unwanted sounds while preserving the audio you actually want. Combined with exceptional low-light video performance, you can capture vibrant, professional-quality content in challenging conditions that would typically ruin your footage. Portrait photography reaches new heights with advanced AI processing that automatically adjusts skin tones and preserves natural textures. The system recognizes different lighting conditions and skin types, ensuring every face in your photos looks polished and professional without that artificial, over-processed appearance common in many smartphones. Whether you're a social media influencer or just love taking family photos, this feature consistently delivers magazine-quality results. Moreover, Samsung has perfected the switching experience with Smart Switch technology. Moving from your old phone Mist, whether Android or iOS, becomes remarkably simple. The system transfers your photos, videos, music, apps, contacts, and even conversation histories securely in just a few steps. This seamless transition eliminates the usual headache of setting up a new device. Battery life remains impressive with the 5000 mAh cell easily lasting through intensive daily use, and the 45W fast charging gets you back to full power quickly. The S Pen functionality continues to excel, offering precise input for note-taking, sketching, and navigation. However, one notable downside some users may find challenging is the premium price point. Starting at $1,299 for the base model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra represents a significant investment. Additionally, the phone's size and weight might feel cumbersome for those preferring more compact devices, especially during one-handed use. You got it! So that's it for the best AI-powered flagship smartphone on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped you decide, comment below if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.